I've got some superb news from members of parliament from across the country who have come together and told me we deserve our own YouTube channel for Cyrus Says. It's called Cyrus Says, the new YouTube channel, and it'll have obviously Cyrus Says and Cock and Bull, which is Cyrus Says' stepbrother. So that's separate, just for you on a new YouTube channel. Please, guys, it's coming soon. Stay with us. Your lives will change forever. You will never be hungry again. Uh, maybe, maybe not. I'm just going on now, bro. Keep it quiet, please.
It happens till they're 18.
Yes. And the show is called Cyrus Says. My guest is already talking while I'm trying to start. You can see the kind of shameless behavior we have on this show. But before we start, and I introduce her, and let me tell you, she's an educator and a writer. So this is interesting. Slightly, we've raised the bar here in terms of sophistication and intellect. But before we bring her on, I want to quickly say observation number 287 that I've made for the year. I think the worst job in Maharashtra is the guy in the litany of cars that follows the CM. There's the pilot car, and then there's the second and third car, and then there's generally the CM car and another three, four cars after that. The second or third car has these four, five guys who are hand wavers. They just wave hands. Out
Really?
of those four, yeah, out of those four, five guys, one guy is like the least hand waver. Like he is the least enthusiasm. And I feel all they do is so we're coming on Valkeswar in Mumbai, and these guys just wave their hands at the cars who have no idea. Mumbaikars have no political sense or interest or consciousness, unlike Delhi. So we have no
No, no,
idea
no,
who
no,
that
no.
person is and why they're driving. And they're just waving at us like, get out of the way. You might be, I don't know, Taliban or American CIA or whatever. Stop it. Just get out of the way. I'm thinking, what kind of job is this? How can his parents be proud of this guy? In a lot of 10 or 15 of them, he's like the last guy with the least energy who's just doing this cursory hand movement.
It's like the queen.
That's
It's like the queen of England.
yeah,
This light little wave. Just a little bit, probably like
it,
30
that's
degrees. That's
really
about it.
good. Do it
Yeah,
again.
thank
Do it
you.
again.
Yeah,
That's
that's what
really
I
she.
do.
You know,
I have so much
yeah,
time
yeah.
to spare now. This is what I do in front of the mirror
No,
now.
no,
La, la,
that's good
la. Yeah,
observational comedy. With due respect to the Queen, in case you want a British visa, let's all just get it clear here. You're a touchy country. Yeah, it's that, right? It's that.
yeah,
I'm thinking,
yeah.
why would she not go with the full hand? The full
Yeah, I
hand
think
is
like a
more
full
real.
arm swing would look better.
Or did the Congress take that
Logo.
away? Yeah, a full arm swing. Eh? The lady is 94 batting, from what I gather, or something like that.
Yeah,
Something, yeah. And
yeah, but not
apparently,
batty at all. Not batty at
not.
all.
Did you hear her speak at the opening of the Parliament session between the two lockdowns, which is just about a year back? I
Hmm.
mean, unbelievable. She was like coherent and clear,
Lucid. Yeah,
lucid.
very admirable. Yeah. I
So,
think maybe
Doctor,
some secret pills have been invented for her.
yes,
Yeah.
exactly that. They're not
Not
telling
being
us the
shared with the
truth.
rest of the world. Yeah.
Experiments on royalty. That's your next book. May I introduce you
Totally.
since you've already started chattering away? Almost like you're a cousin or something.
Sorry.
We have two of us on. We're just talking nonsense. This is at a cocktail party. Generally, other people start walking away now, because we've
Yeah.
gone on about the hand and this and
Yeah.
that. And yeah. So may I introduce you, Dr. Priya Mirza? And let me see, that's a PhD. That's the kind of doctor you like to meet, not the ones during COVID. That's a horrible feeling.
Yeah.
Sorry, not to be
Oh,
insensitive. And
you
please,
just were, but never mind.
I,
Yeah, go on,
I,
go
I
on.
I'm. You want to talk about that for a second? I don't personally. I okay. I don't know how to say this because one day I'll need them. I really don't believe in the doctors. I just think everything is very custom made. You see all these illnesses. Because I was taking my dad to doing the rounds, when he got his neurology and all these problems, and all they did is tests. Test, 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 test. So they eliminate things. They don't give you proper answers. There's no real. So the
Mm,
science doesn't have an end to it ever when it's serious. And what's the point of
yeah,
me going with just a normal thing, like a stomach upset or whatever? That's pointless. I'm saying when it's serious is when the doctor should come to the table, literally. And they don't answer
absolutely.
properly and they don't have an answer. So in the end, it's a gray area which I could do on Google. I could do the tests. They're all there for neurology,
Mm,
exactly the
yeah.
same ones. And I could go to Nair Hospital and do it cheaper. Well, otherwise I have to follow his hospitals, which are more expensive. If my dad's not going to get better, why spend money? That would be his philosophy to me, first
Yeah,
and foremost.
I have horrible views about aging and dying. I think everybody should just, make their exit packages at 70, 75, and just go. I mean, what's the point of dragging it on? But on a serious note, yeah, I agree with you.
What is it?
Sometimes you just want doctors to say do this or do that, but they're so hesitant, they're so cautious, they're so polite. They just don't say you're overweight,
Well,
fat, go for a run every morning. They'll never say that.
I know you're an animal lover. We'll come to all that, but even with dogs, and I've had several dogs throughout my life. Sadly, they don't live as long as us, and at the end of the day, they can't really help you. The vets beyond a point. Once the
Yeah.
dog is in a certain situation, they don't really have answers. I'm not blaming them. I'm just saying I wish people would understand a disclaimer. Science is
Hmm.
only so much, and it's all
Finite.
everybody's got custom-made issues, which is beyond the realm
Hmm.
of understanding of any great talented person. They're just doing their best, and they're guessing it's trial and error, which sometimes I wonder whether you really need to study that much. When at the end of the day, you're just going to say, "Do this test, do that test, do this test," and whatever.
I see
Le-
you're
le-
reluctant for the testing bit. The testing bit
I
seems to
hate
have
it.
gotten to you. Yeah, yeah,
I
I agree
am
completely.
Dr. Priya Mirza. I am first and above all a conjuice. My father brought me up beautifully. When I first banged the car and they put me inside, no, that was drinking and driving, and they put me inside jail at the age of 19. That's why I don't want my son going anywhere. And the bail money was paid, etc. I brought back
How much was
I,
that? How much was the bail?
905 rupees. And
Wow.
yeah, I came back and the car was banged. So I was worried about that, him being Parsi and all that. So I told him, I said, Dad, I banged the car. And then I said, okay. And then anyway, we got the bail money. So they released us and all that. And he said, okay, receipt kya hai? Where's the receipt? So I said, what? There was no question of morality. It was always
Are you
about the
hurt?
receipt. We have to
My
file the
son, are you
receipt.
hurt?
Yeah. No, no, no. There's nothing. I was doing the whole act, holding my head and all that. No, no, no. There's none of that.
But he can clearly see through you.
No, I think his philosophy is just very clear. Get the receipt. We don't want the taxman coming after us. He's not worried about the judge putting me in jail for 6 months. He's supposed to be. You don't, Priya. You don't have enough. Although Mirza is one of those lovely names. You could be Muslim, Parsi, or Hindu. So it's one of those names
Is
that
that
I
so?
oh yeah,
Parsis
I know
also
all three.
Mirzas?
I know,
I didn't know that.
and
That's
so
new
is Priya.
information.
Parsis ki Priya. Priya can be
Oh.
Muslims ki Priya and Hindu. These are names which are very secular. I'm going to
Mm.
keep this name. This is a super name.
Take it, take it, take it.
The
Feel free.
government
Share.
should
Love to
say
share
one
things.
out of every five people, male or female, should be called Priya Mirza. So we don't have an identity to them. Like Cyrus
Absolutely.
Boche,
Priya
clearly
Mirza.
Parsi name, Joginder Singh,
Mhm.
clearly Punjabi name. What the hell, yeah? Why do we always bound by that? This is great.
Yeah, so
And then you,
boring. No, be like
and then you turn,
plasticine.
then you turn out to be Jewish because mom was a fan of some friend
Yeah,
called
yeah.
Priya, blah blah blah. All right, listen, this is your
Totally.
show,
Yeah,
and we're
yeah.
just babbling away, not talking about you.
No, no,
So
no. Please babble away.
you're a PhD in which I will come to in a second. Doctoral thesis titled "The Constructive Analysis of India's Climate Change
Oh
Diplomacy."
God, I hated
Oh
every
yeah,
word of it. I think I wanted to sell it to the
the
kabadi. It lies under the
title.
bed.
I'm stumbling on the title, so you must be really, really smart.
No, no,
A
it's
study of
not.
norms. What is?
It's a big misbelief that PhDs are smart. Look at me, not smart at all. I hated my
Uh,
PhD. I hated every word of it, and not proud
you've
of
really
it
come on
at
the
all.
wrong channel. We don't have any
So,
smart people here. You're going to be really alone here. No, no, just quickly tell us study of norms. What exactly does that mean?
do you really want to know this?
Just
It's
in two lines. Yeah.
distinguishing between laws and norms about how states behave and how to
Oh.
pressurize them to behave in good ways, as clearly Afghanistan didn't learn, and how to
Well,
induce like the carrot
Afghanistan, or
and
you or
stick
you want to
business.
blame the mighty power that just walked away and said, "Look,
I know,
we
shocking,
got other
isn't
things
it?
to do."
Yeah,
Really,
just
I
packed up
mean,
their bags and left. Yeah,
really
worst
unbelievable.
breakup ever. Yeah,
Yeah, and now the women
yeah,
footballers have been told to burn their clothes and stuff like that. I mean, that's there you see
really.
government at its best. What should we do with our people who have poverty and no education and lots of problems to deal with, infrastructure, what have you? Let's get the women football team uniform burned. Yeah, that's good. That takes care of January. God, guys are nuts.
Yeah,
I'll tell you one thing, Priya.
totally.
We were talking about feminism offline. I think males should be banned from leadership for 2 years across the world. I think males are just in all the males of the world should be removed, and only females run the
Step
world.
down right away. Yes, great
Yeah.
idea. Yeah.
I you just don't have the empathy and the sort of sensitivity. There's a huge gap. I
Yeah, but
see it.
I find that problematic as well to expect women to be compassionate, bursting with the milk of goodness.
No, no, no,
But
no, 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 no. Don't take it to that end. I'm just saying that
sorry.
generally speaking, better leaders will come because there's sense of empathy,
Mm,
like an Angela Merkel or Jacinda, or even our
yeah,
politicians.
yeah.
I mean, all the flack we give a
I'm waiting.
Mayawati at
I'm
the end of the
waiting for
day.
that.
Yeah, we are those who do. Okay,
Yeah.
well, let's get back to you. Others, we'll just go on talking in circles, which is the show. I have to apologize if at the end of it we've not even reached your title. I apologize completely.
But aren't
So
circles nice? I think
circles
it's
are
nice to run
great.
around in circles. Yeah. I
I
think that's
miss
what I do to
my.
my students all the time. Make them run
Are you in
around in
Delhi?
circles.
Are you in
Yes, I
Delhi?
am.
The
Yeah.
land
Yeah.
of circles. Delhi is like my
Yes.
second city, but I can't find myself anywhere because we just don't understand this circular thing. You
Yeah.
just go round and round and round everywhere you go.
Yeah, to which I
But
have
you,
one point, which is
yeah,
that, they're all called goal chuckers. And I keep asking,
yeah,
it's my great joke of the day that aren't
yes,
all chuckers goal, but nobody
exactly.
appreciates my fantastic joke.
So that's not like a paradox in terms. That's the opposite. That's a double superlative something,
Yeah,
isn't
yeah,
it?
yeah.
Yeah. When you're saying,
Some sophisticated thing, I'm
yeah.
sure you would know
It's like
that. Yeah,
stupid idiot. Both mean
yeah,
the same sort of thing. There's no just
yeah,
say stupid
yeah,
or idiot. Yeah.
yeah. Like
Uh,
nalaik gadha, like it's a very Delhi thing.
Yeah, nalayak,
Um,
lovely. Show your
yeah,
Hindi is
yeah.
flowing instead of what we use here. I just think our accents when we in Maharashtra speak Hindi, it just sounds more vulgar, even if it's a normal line. That's why it's best to be
Give me
abused
an
by a
example.
UPI.
I'd like to.
Huh.
No.
It's all to do with a bad language, profanity, which I would not want to use, but it is there. Uh, oh, tu aata kya? Tu aayega kya?
I think it's the
I mean, it's rude, and you're talking to your mother. It's like that.
yeah, it's the tone maybe, but yeah, it's I can see
It's
how influenced you are by the Queen. That quiet, dignified ways of talking.
what the hell is that based on? I mean, you're a
Would you
scientist. You
like
tell me, what is she doing? Is it that she's only allowed to open the window a little bit? It's only this much is
and peep
revealed.
out?
Peep out, yeah. God, really. Who would want to be the queen? What a boring job at the end of the day. Everywhere you go, you have to just wave to people you never see again. That's it. That's the
And not
job.
even grin. It's not even a full grin. It's like a
It's a
constipated.
pretty
Yeah,
fake one, wouldn't you say?
yeah, completely.
Not like
And not
our
getting to wear the
leaders.
shoes. Yeah,
Priya, our
yeah,
leaders are
go
spontaneous, beautiful, bountiful, milk of human kindness, welcoming with their eyes, and
with their broad chests, and the
yes,
measurement
yes,
of that. Yes, yes,
yes, yes,
embracing
yeah,
us,
yeah.
engulfing us, suffocating us with their love.
Oh my God, I've unleashed the Pandora's box, and here we go. Into the rabbit hole of discontent. Back we are to your PhD. Okay, but what we really have to talk about is the book. So just a
Yeah.
quick word. Let's go back. So you're in the education business, obviously, and your research interests are law, legal histories of patenting, and you talk about Indian princely states, which is something totally
Mhm.
different. Sovereignty, that's fine. Technology in Indian princely states. So these are all different things, is it?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So I'm a historian of the princely states, and my woe is that not enough has been done about it. So I've set about to study them. And do you know about the princely states? There were
I
about
do, but
500 of them, and
yeah,
ranged quite a bit. Most of them were
I'm
scoundrels. A few of them were pretty nice.
I'm in a raging debate whether Maharana Pratap, lost or didn't lose, or Haldi Ghati. How did that actually transpire? The result of
Oh,
that, and you know how politicized that debate is right
yeah,
now.
yeah,
Because
yeah,
the
yeah.
way I was raised and the things we read, it was pretty clear. But now but
Hmm.
let's start at a slightly more dominant princely state that probably nobody's heard of, or uh, Western
Yes.
Jabalpur, or one of those.
Well, I have to go into my lecturer mode. Sorry, I can't help it.
Please, I love
Uh,
all this. Go on.
do you? I can see
Yes,
you're
yes.
zoning out already.
Not at all. Anything to do with kings. I love, because in my heart of hearts, that's what I wanted to be, a real
Yeah.
fascist.
Oh, really? Yeah, yeah.
Not a
So I'll tell you
pretentious
the way
pretend.
they. Yeah. So go
Sorry, go
on.
on.
Yeah, yeah.
No, no, no.
Okay, so there were about 500 of them, and my period is actually modern India, so not the other one which you just mentioned, Haldi Ghati. But
Yeah.
yeah, there were about several of them, ranging from literally the size of Chandni Chowk, an exaggeration, to the size of Hyderabad, and they had all this money and no responsibilities. So my work looks into how they spend their money, the idiotic things they did with it, the important things they did with it. So yeah, so buying
This is before that
diamonds
whole
to
privy
planes.
purse thing and all.
Yeah, yeah,
This
yeah, yeah.
is
So the Privy Purse is modern India, but because
47.
they were yeah, because they were allies of the British allowed them to rule internally, but they didn't have the rights to foreign affairs or right to maintain an army, which also meant that they had a lot more money.
What kind of
So
king doesn't have an army? I mean, that's like a king who's like bullshitting. I'm the king. I will catch you. But Raju, tuja. There's no army. There's just this Hamal
yeah,
who
yeah,
works here. साफ सफाई करने के
yeah.
बाद मैडम का रूम क्लीन करके भाग जाओ उधर.
I can see you're ready with your royal dictats. Yeah, so that's what you're going to
Hey,
do
hey,
when
come
you
on, Priya. What's wrong with that? Don't you think that hasn't everyone fantasized about being a king in the sense of just not just it's your law?
king of the
Yeah.
world, king of your
You king
room, king of your little barsati. Yeah.
I think the duplicitous nature of the politician, where they want to be the king but pretend to be not the king, is horrible compared to the king.
Mm-hmm.
That's why you sort of like king sometimes, because
Yeah.
he's clearly a nutcase. He's
Yeah, they're
happily a
naked.
king.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
literally.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
I've got
Except that
no
you can
time for
get
them.
decapitated or murdered.
Fair
All
enough,
that's fine.
fair
Yeah,
enough.
ठीक
All
है.
that is fine, but I'm just
चलेगा.
saying. No, but I'm just saying they. Yeah, but you just mentioned a guy the size of Chandni Chowk. He's got like 8 acres. That's it, or whatever. But he's still
Mm-hmm.
behaving like he's Akbar himself. It's like I don't know, today I will give 5 paisa to each beggar in my realm. And there's just two guys. One of them has left for better places.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry.
But
So you
for
tell.
example, you like cricket. That's what I was reading up.
Love
Me,
cricket.
not so
Love.
much,
I
but
love history. We're happy. I'm happy to talk about
oh yeah.
Indian sovereign states all
So,
day.
so I'll mix the two cricket history. So Ranjit Singh ji, for example,
Yeah.
was
Yeah.
the
Junagadh.
of
Yeah. Yeah.
Navanagar. So,
Now,
but let me tell you something else
Jadejas,
about
no?
yeah,
They're
the,
Rajput, the Rajput tribe. Yeah.
yeah. I'll give an A plus for that. Very impressed. So he fell in love with the parrot, and he
The great
insisted
Ranjit
that
Singh ji.
yes, he fell in love with the parrot. As in he loved the parrot,
No,
and he insisted that
no, Priya, you can't get away from this, Priya. You said he
no, I
fell in love
can't.
with the parrot, which makes him sound like a nutcase. You don't say, I love my dogs. I don't fall in love with them. It's a little, no, 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 no.
Okay,
They're
okay. I
two
have an
different creatures
explanatory
we're talking
note.
about here. Yeah, sorry.
I have an explanatory note to that.
Okay.
So he insisted that the okay. Let me turn it around. I think we believe that the parrot loved him. So he insisted that the parrot has to travel with him to Europe. And there was this bizarre disease raging back then, which I can't pronounce because it starts with a P and it has two S's. But he just insisted, and
Fizz.
it's
Sorry.
Piscitorus. It's some. So you have
Okay.
this
Which the
cricket
parrot
legend
was a vector.
who just says that I have to feed my parrot. The parrot किसी और के हाथ से नहीं खाएगा. You can just imagine them saying that. And he wanders off to Europe with this parrot, and he stops to meet Mussolini. So he meets Mussolini with the parrot, and they carry on with their
Mussolini must have had a whole lot of parrots in those good old days before
yeah,
they hung him
like G
outside
Saab,
a street.
yes,
And
yeah.
yeah, 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 exactly.
G Saab,
With a
G
little
Saab.
Italian accent. Yeah. Ji
Oh yeah,
Saab.
sorry, yeah. I can't. I'm Delhi wala, so can't help G Saab, that sort
Oh,
of
you have
thing.
the best
But yeah.
accents in India with your sing song. Oh, Saras, ke haal hai? What's up? Come on, what are you saying? My best
Yeah,
experiences in Delhi is talking to normal people. Let's not go back. Go back to
I
the
love the
parrot.
normal
Beautiful story.
people. So, do I qualify as
Normal
normal?
people, conventional people. I mean, because the put on circuit and all is a whole different thing. They're as
Uh,
Anglophilic as anybody else, and
yeah,
then
yeah,
they're all
yeah.
those people are all the same
Hmm.
from across India.
True, true,
Sorry,
true, true. Like park the car on the porch kind of thing, right? That sort
all
of
that. Yeah,
yeah. Boring, yeah.
and,
Not
and
real.
not like you and me, salt of the earth, done acres
Yeah,
and acres.
guffawing, yeah.
Uh,
True, true, true.
yeah.
Yeah,
Parrot
but yeah.
Mussolini. This is a great story. Who would interrupt such a story? Ranjit Singh ji, cricket legend, has to take the parrot with him wherever he goes because he has to hand feed him, even though the parrot is causing disease and destruction in his wake. And he meets one of the great humanitarians of all time, Benito Mussolini. And
But- And yes, so what I wanted to say was that a lot of my work is archival. So I go to the National Archives, dig up stuff, and for me, that's like Netflix. You don't need to watch Netflix if you're coming across stuff like this, except that under the Central Vista project, the National Archives are going to be
what?
dot dot
No.
dot. Yeah.
What?
So
Are you serious?
yeah, I am. Yeah. So it
But
is
that's a
part of the
crime.
Central. Tell me about it. Yes. So it's right next to, like, it's about
God.
10 meters away from the
And we
National
are calling
Museum.
other countries Philistines and backward, uneducated
Yeah.
savages.
So
Oh,
you have this glorious, it's beautiful. It's one of the loveliest places in Delhi. It's huge, lots of green space, and these spectacular records. And
Could it be that the politicians were thinking, what would the Taliban do? And you know how they have that shirt saying,
yeah,
what would Jesus do? So what would the Taliban do? Let's do that.
yeah,
Maybe that
yeah,
would make
totally.
sense. Yeah,
And
yeah.
none of it is reassuring. They keep saying, हम records को बहुत संभाल कर दूसरी जगह रखेंगे. And
Like
no,
the
that's not
parrot.
going to
Yeah.
happen. That's not going to happen. And they're going to get lost, destroyed. Basically, we only have what the British said anyway. So that's half the story anyway. But
God, this is worse
yeah,
than Alexander burning down Cyrus the Great's library in Parsagad and
yeah,
all that great literature of Persian literature gone forever in history. And he
totally.
regretted
Yeah.
it because
Did he?
he loved my ancestor. He worshipped. They were
Oh.
drunk. After a battle, how they get drunk completely out of their mind. And, somebody must have said Cyrus is greater than you, which is true. And then, boom, kill, break. He's not here. He died 100 years ago. Destroy that. Yeah.
Oh, since
Hey,
you love
why?
history, I want to tell you something, two things. Sorry, can't help it. Sorry to
Yeah.
interrupt. So they also
Yeah.
had something called a vomitarium and an adultarium, which I came across while researching for my podcast. Which, so an adultarium was the space where how nice, isn't it? Like demarcated spaces where you commit
Hmm.
adultery. So
What are you
even for,
saying?
yeah.
Legal
So
adultery. How advanced is that?
well, I'm not too sure about the legal bit, but yeah.
But you're giving it a
Le-
name and it's identified as a geographical place on Google Maps. You go adulterium and, I mean,
chalo,
come
chalo,
on.
Arjun.
Yeah, it's completely legitimized.
Yeah, but I'm not
Wow.
still. It doesn't make it legal, but yeah, because it exists on Google Map doesn't make it
In
legal.
Scandinavia, it's legal. It's all right. That's good enough for me. What is the other thing?
Oh,
Vomitarium.
yeah, vomitarium.
You
So
can.
vomitarium. Yeah, so it's linked to bulimia. So when to
Oh.
eat a lot, so if you really want to eat a lot, you can then go to the vomitarium, empty it out, and come
But the
back and
Romans
hog
used to
some
do
more.
that. Didn't the Romans do that? They
Yeah.
were famous for tickling
Yes.
their
Yeah.
throats after
Yeah.
eating so they could eat some more. What a
Yeah. Did
lovely
I?
culture. Yeah.
And those lovely sandals and what else?
Togas?
Yeah. Yeah.
As a man, may I
Lovely.
say, if you have just one piece of clothing, like a male bikini, for me, that's everything. Why do we have to wear those innerwear and banyans and shirts and look
Totally.
like a Jedi warriors, with no sabers? It's just a waste of time.
Yeah.
I'm all for
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
togas.
Yeah. So I'm waiting.
The
You
lungi,
must.
Indian
Hmm.
lungi, and the toga are my two favorite things in terms
What
of
about the
fashion.
kilt? The Scottish kilt. That doesn't
But it's
interest
tied
you?
in a very odd way, isn't it? It'll
I
take a
really
long
don't
time.
know. I
Yeah.
thought maybe a zip maybe might
No, no, no
interest
zip
you.
and all. They've got their own thing. But you're right, it's there. It's there in the mix. We
Hmm.
can't deny
Yeah.
it. Thing is, the material is normally wool, and I sweat all the
True.
time.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
sweat in Amsterdam. I sweat in Warsaw. So for me, it's
So
just
the
not
weather
good.
doesn't matter.
Whether Genghis Khan's bloodline, I traced myself. So I need the Mongolian
Yeah.
winters, the
Yeah.
plains of
Yeah.
Ulaanbaatar and beyond. I need a horse. I need my bow and
Mm.
arrow. You don't
And
know
maybe the
me, Priya.
toga.
You don't know me. My ancestors turned and swiveled on the horse and shot people and swiveled back all in one motion. The things we could do.
Mhm. I
Super
tell
efficient.
you.
And where
Yeah,
is
very
Mongolia
efficient.
now? Or Greece? Or Rome? Or India? Okay. Don't answer that,
Yeah.
historian. Right.
No, but I
So,
want to say something about
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Mongolia. Sorry, which is that did you know they could go hang upside down on the horses as well?
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
they could swing upside down and
Correct.
not
And
swing. That's not the right way.
no, no, they
Yeah.
go from this side to that side.
Yeah.
That's a
Yeah.
shooting technique. And they could
Really?
all do that by the time they were teenagers because the horse was
Damn.
everything since they were nomads and moving around. That was
We've done nothing in life. We've done nothing.
I don't think there's anyone to rival that the horseman thing that they had going. Horseman, yeah,
Yeah.
one
Yeah.
with the horse, and
Yeah.
of course they ate the horse when he died.
Did they?
So
Oh, that's.
yeah, so much for that. Genghis himself was
Yeah.
very scared of dogs. It was the only thing he
Oh.
feared. Yeah, and they worship the
Mm-hmm.
wolf, which is like the dog in that sense. Amongst all the other things they worship, the moon and the blue sky and all that. Why am I telling you? You should be telling me.
No, no, yes, but I'm listening very patiently. But since you mentioned dogs and Junagadh, so I'm sure you already know this, but that the Nawab of Junagadh loved dogs and he got them
Mo-
married and held
Didn't most
ceremonies
of
for them.
okay. I don't
Yeah.
know this, but I know most of them had lots of these different breeds and everything, including the Indian
Hmm.
hounds, like we have in North Maharashtra and other places. Um,
Oh,
so, how do
greyhounds.
we
I
get?
think they imported. Yeah.
Yeah, no. So there's an Arab strain. My Mary is from that. It's called the Mugdol hound, which comes from an
Mm.
Arab strain because from the coast in North Maharashtra and from the coast, those dogs were introduced and then bred, of course. But they have very high waists, very strong
Okay.
hamstrings, and very thin. But you can see they look
Mm.
like small whippets. If Mary comes close at any point, I'll show it to you. So those are
Yeah,
descendants
I'd
of
love to
the.
see
They're
that.
much faster than the other desi doggies. It's like a PT Usha dog, and then there's the normal dogs like that. Again, normal is wrongly used. These are not racist
Yeah, yeah,
terms. This is just
yeah.
lack
I'm
of
making note of
intelligence and not
that.
not able to say the right thing. You come on, a beggar with words can't do more than this. Back to you. So
But
why
you
did we
can't
bring up
escape.
Ranjit Singh? No, but why did you bring up
Um,
Ranjit Singh ji just with the cricket thing? So when you were researching, you're trying to tell me these are the anecdotes that you're coming across.
Yeah, 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 yeah. So the broader, let me tell you a little bit about my book, which is
Yes,
about
yes. Which is
aviation
not
history.
yet out.
Yes,
Uh,
yes, sadly, yes, because it's not
Social
yet
history.
written.
Okay, fair enough.
Small,
I mean,
small
that's a
detail.
great point. Yeah, this is now a Santa Banta moment we're having, aren't we? Yeah.
Totally.
Okay. Social history of
Kitta.
the Indian state. Okay, go ahead. You
So
say
it's a work in progress is the mildest way of putting it. But so I'm on chapter 2, but yeah, it is something that I'm working on. So
chapter
it's
two
a
is a Neil
history.
Simon play.
Is
Very
it?
good
Oh,
play,
I'm gonna
light
look that up.
comedy. You please check it out. Chapter
Oh,
two. If I'm
I
not
will.
mistaken, Robert Redford made a film out of it and
Oh, he was so
with the
good
lead.
looking. There's nobody else as good
Yeah,
looking
well,
as him.
you
What do you
think?
mean? Yeah, well, yes, of course. Yeah. Very good looking.
That's up to my mom growing up worshipped Gregory Rock Hudson, and turned out
Oh,
he didn't like the ladies. She was quite heartbroken
oh,
in her middle age. Yeah, when they found out, it
yeah.
was one of the big Hollywood secrets that he was actually openly gay with men and all that, but they wouldn't go out of Hollywood.
Hmm.
It's
But
amazing.
that reminds me of Ricky Martin. I mean, I grew up again loving him
Yeah,
till we did.
didn't
Yeah.
didn't get the gay vibe from him either. Not that being gay is bad. Please let's gay is
I'm
good.
making
We
notes,
encourage
Cyrus.
people to be
I'm
gay.
making
Yeah,
notes.
it's a Seinfeld moment. uh, yeah, didn't get that vibe
Yeah.
from him, whether it was straight gay or whatever, and then suddenly turned out, yeah,
Yeah. Holding two
it's
babies and.
no, and always was glamorous women in pictures, and when he came here
Mm,
as well, and all surrounded by all these socialite. What is the right
yeah.
word? You're the
Yeah.
historian. Women with lots of makeup and whose husbands have more money than they deserve. That type.
Is that the? Oh, okay. That's the definition. Okay.
I don't know. I'll have to Google it. I don't know myself. Uh, my
But
wife and I
yeah.
share the same razor, so we're not from that ilk. Yeah. Now we just
हो
turned
गया?
50.
Yeah. Oh.
Huh. हो गया
Like.
नहीं? It's just cheapness. It's from my dad. Why? You're only two of you, and one razor is good enough. There's no need for two razors, really. Uh,
I can see
she
real.
might.
Now I believe you when you say you're a conjuice. Now I believe you.
I'm a.
Yeah.
I swear to you, I'm not trying to glamorize, reverse glamorize
Conjuicy.
myself by saying conjuice. I am a conjuice. It's just the way it is.
Mm.
No, conjuice in the sense that I'll tell you my problem. Now that you made it my podcast and not yours, I don't have the gene for consumer stuff, consumerism.
Mm.
I've never had that. I don't have that gene. So I'm very bored in shops and all. And I have no interest in buying things and all that. So from that point of view, I'm always thinking, what a waste of money. So
But what's the most expensive thing you ever bought?
well, we had to buy a house, but that's just because you had to. After the
Oh
house, the
yeah.
next expensive thing is my pre-workout supplement, which is like which I beg the guy to give me discounts and old mall and all that. So from 2,300 I get down to 1,700 because it's expired. It's like that.
Oh God, that sounds like my mother actually. Yes, busy buying
Your
expired
mother
stuff
and me
because
work
yeah.
out together.
Yes.
Yeah, what do you? I'm psyched
Yeah.
out by her all the time.
Yeah. Yeah.
Says,
Except that she'll
beta,
be doing Jane Fonda. Do you remember Jane Fonda?
oh, buns of steel.
Yeah.
One of the great
Buns of Steel. Yeah.
filmatic moments of all time.
Yeah.
Hey, don't
Yeah.
knock Jane Fonda. She was ahead of her time. Till she
Totally.
came out
Yeah.
with
Yeah.
all
Yeah.
that, nobody thought about all this. Until today, spandex is in fashion. Shamak
Totally.
Dawar
Yeah. Yeah.
himself wears it, and not just in public. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's like a
Why
thappa.
would I know? Yeah.
Yes, I'm wondering.
Yeah, look, we've got to talk about your book and we've got to talk about the podcast.
Sorry.
You're not talking. You're just going rambling about Ranjit Singh Ji.
I'm so
Oh, by the way,
sorry.
do you know which shot he invented, which became
No.
famous with which has his name?
Oh God. I
There's a
read
there's a
about this,
stroke
but I
like
don't
the
know.
cover drive and square cut and hook and all that. So there's a shot that he
Hmm.
invented.
बताइए बताइए फरमाइए.
Leg glance, which is a shot where you
Ooh.
play the ball off your hip, past the wicket keeper. And so then, of course,
Mm.
you know how the Westerners are, I was slightly racist attitude towards us, saying that the cunning Orientals who play these shots, not the manly shots, like that, but the wristy
Mm.
shots, which deceptive shots. There's a little racist
Mm.
tint to that.
Yeah,
Just
very
from sport
racist.
alone, yeah, you can. It is. This is true. It's not a lie. They did think like
No, I
that then.
completely believe it because so if I could, so Ranjit Singh ji everybody knows about, but do you know about Mir Sultan Khan?
If I said yes and then didn't want to say anything more about it, is that okay in this forum?
No, that's not.
Oh, damn it.
So he was an Indian who won the British Chess Championship in 1931. He won it
Really?
three times. Yeah, 1929, 1931, 1932.
What
And
happened in
he didn't speak.
1930? Simon Commission.
वो वापस आ गया उसका जो मालिक था he said that
हाँ.
sorry वापस चलो.
उसका जो
uh,
मालिक था, you just
yeah,
said
so
he was a
he was an
king.
no, he sounds kingly, but he worked for this
Oh, his
Nawab
name
Hayat
was
Khan.
Sultan. He was not a
Yeah,
sultan.
yeah,
Okay.
no, not a real sultan. But when he won the British Chess Championship, the
Hmm.
British they wrote horrible things. They said that he laughs like a hyena, and he's a half-wit, and he's illiterate, and other horrible things. But this guy just won the
Well,
championship.
they've only had Nigel Short in the last 20, 30 years, and we've had far
Yeah,
more. We've got
yeah,
far more
true.
potential. But why get into a jingoistic
Yeah,
war? Next thing I'll
yeah,
be with the
yeah.
government here and cabinet posting.
Oh,
So let's not
right,
get into
right,
that.
right.
Yeah. Yeah.
Culture and Communications
You're
Ministry.
a chess buff. You're a chess buff. It says in your
Yes,
biodata.
yes, yes,
Do you
yes.
play? Do you know my son now beats me in like 9 or 10 moves? I
That's
taught him.
horrible.
I
It
won in
hurts.
school,
It
but he also
hurts,
won in
doesn't
his
it?
school. It
And
hurts. I don't know whether my brain has become worse or, but he's very quick. And then your
horrible.
male ego comes into it. When he's quick, you can't be slow because you start looking like a sissy. And then because he's quick, and then I'm going too quick, and then sometimes I realize I made the wrong move when I make the move.
Yeah, but I
Mm.
feel the pain because my son beats me too, and he's
How
8,
old?
so he's 8, so
Oh,
it
he's
hurts more.
good. He's good. No, but
Or
my son
maybe.
started beating me at 12, 13, but it was a
Yeah.
scrap at that time. But up to about
Mhm.
12, I used to beat him. Then I used to tank games so that he stopped crying and all because he was like a young Bobby Fischer, throwing things and all when he lost.
Oh
Indian
God, that
male,
sounds
I'm
like
sure.
mine. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, you
Rona
can't change that.
dhona,
Indian,
cheekna
exactly.
chillana.
Indian male. And it's
It's
all
their
the fault of the
genes.
mothers.
They look
मेरा
so
बेटा,
happy.
oh, मेरा बेटा को देखा? Sorry
Yeah,
for the
so I
terrible.
feel we should never teach them anything. Don't teach them anything. Keep them uneducated so that they can run around, make coffee for you. You should never teach them how to play
Yeah.
chess. Yeah, yeah.
No, 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 no.
Sorry.
Don't say that. I feel bad for people who don't know how to play chess. It's just such a fun game. It drains you, when you have
Yeah.
nothing to do during lockdown and all. Lockdown and all, we played a lot. And
Yeah,
my daughter
yeah,
as
yeah.
well. She's also started beating me, but I'm still a little ahead of her. But yeah, come on.
Mm,
It's like a
yeah,
I mean,
yeah.
it's the only thing I can think of other than weight training, whether from head to toe you're just completely immersed, and you,
Totally,
you really
yes,
feel like a
yes.
workout at the end of it. Though sometimes when you've had a good game, and if you win, you feel
Elated. And you do
elated. That's the word.
somersaults. Yes, yes.
Well, I could do somersaults. Now I do it in my mind, just like I did it while playing chess. Yeah, I could do that
Ting, ting, ting.
spider. Priya, you remember the spider they used to teach us in school? That thing where you put your hands behind and the arch of the back goes up, so
Is that
your
called
legs.
Ushtrasana or something? Some
Yeah, it'll be called
Chakrasana.
something. What would I
Yeah,
know?
yeah.
I can
Some.
just call it the
I'm
spider
guessing
because I
as
don't know. That's
well.
what it looks like. I could do that till my 30s. Now I can't do anything. So sad.
Oh. You
Life goes
mustn't give
just
up,
quickly.
Cyrus. You mustn't give up. Ek din
You're
you will
saying,
be a spider. Yes, you will be.
or a parrot, and then maybe somewhere in Saurashtra there'll be someone who loves me. Huh?
Yeah.
Somewhere
Is
down
that
the
like your
line.
reincarnation? By the way, they live up to 90. So,
I know some of them. No, not all.
yeah, yeah, some of
Yeah,
them. Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, yeah.
No, I want to be a wolf. I love. That's my favorite animal. Wolf mates for life, which is a shocking thing, and it's the only
Yeah,
animal.
I didn't know that.
They make sure the cubs eat first. They're fabulous social structure and very
And so
strong
good
pack
looking. And so good
and
looking,
great
isn't it?
looking.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
they run the animal to death. They don't actually have to attack. They do a medley, like so four guys run, and the big deer is running and running, getting tired. Then the next four run while the others hang back and get their breath back and just jog. Then the next
So
four
very
run.
organized.
Organized. In front of the animal has a heart attack or is just completely finished and falls down, and then they finish him off.
So is that the reason why? Is that the thrill that you want to experience of
No, no,
chasing
no.
me?
But now nature. It's like I mean, I'm quite the sissy when it comes to all that. I hate seeing animals kill animals or anything like that. But what do you do? Did you know my German
Yeah.
Shepherd killed a, for lack of a better word, rooster?
How? But where was the rooster? Where was this?
So we had just got a little plot of land in Alibag and we'd gone to see it, and there's a rooster, somebody's rooster walking around, and they're very aggressive.
The roosters?
Very aggressive. And so the first time he was in front, so when he did like that and made sounds and came a little forward, I restrained the doggy and I said, "No, okay, Rufo, no, no, no," and all that. And then we moved and forgot about him. And then he came from behind or the side or something. And this time he attacked. He came to attack my German Shepherd. And it ended in a
Hey.
second because he's really big when he puts his chest out, the rooster or whatever. But they're actually quite weak, except for their powerful
Mm-hmm.
beak. And Rufo just got the neck and it was over. I didn't even see it. By the time I turned, it was over. There's blood everywhere.
Wow.
Ugh. This is what you brought out on the podcast. This sad story.
Sorry.
Then I had to hide the body because if my wife found it, there'd be two bodies, maybe three. But she may have let Rufo off. You know, that was a horrible
Yeah.
day in my
I can
life.
see you live in terror.
Yeah, I
That
felt
big
so bad
smile
for the
says it.
rooster.
Yeah.
No, I felt really bad. I was like, Rufo, why do you have to do that? But why did they? Then I read up about it. They actually are nuts. They actually attack. Roosters
Rooster, maybe
physically
they're
charge. They don't.
delusional, maybe.
They're not mock charge. Look, the animal is it's an unfair fight. Just stupid. It's like a rabbit going to a tiger and saying, "Okay, let's fight." It's a pointless point.
But my
Why we
WhatsApp
just
University mind tells me that maybe that's why they have these cockfights because they're so instinctively aggressive.
yeah, that's why they do. They're very aggressive.
Oh.
We've got to,
So it's not as if
this
you have to
word
pump
chicken.
them up.
This word chicken is misplaced. No, you don't have to give them
Yeah.
anabolics. They don't have to go on a 14-week cycle followed by a 8-week dry cycle beyond
Yeah,
that
yeah.
and
And
get
no
tested by
coaching.
WADA. I know where you're
Yeah.
going with this. Yeah, and then no Olympics for you, Mr. Rooster. You can't represent India next year. Whatever happens, it'll have
Ghar
to be
jao.
Neeraj Chopra again. Chopra, aja, it's you again. Listen, you've not discussed your podcast, and now we have to take a break. It's
Oh
4:35. You've
God.
spoken
Okay,
too
okay,
much,
okay.
but the
Sorry.
break is a 1 second break. It's over. Silvery comes in and then we'll
Oh,
get into the podcast and the book. We haven't even actually spoken about the book. We've
yeah,
just
because
rambled on. Silvery,
yes.
please join us while Priya presents. You were discussing. Well, it's about aviation actually, above everything else.
Mhm. It is. So, what I'm interested in finding
JRD,
out is about what? The history of
JRD
flying.
Tata.
Yes, no,
Is
but so much has been done about him already. So I'm
Damn
not
you,
interested in.
Priya! You anti-Parsi, anti-minority person! How dare you! I will have a dharna outside your house. Are you in Panchil Park? Because I have cousins.
No,
Oh
no,
damn.
Vasant Kunj,
Okay.
sorry.
Vasant Kunj, not
Bagal mein,
struggling.
aa
That's
jao.
for sure. No, not struggling. Fair enough.
Yeah, I like how you quickly figure that out, not struggling. I could be in a Barsati, you know. What do you mean?
I don't. I can see the background. There's no Barsati anywhere.
This is just like a virtual background. It looks real, but it's
It's
not.
not. Virtual background is mine. It's dark and hidden. It's like a refugee camp. That's what this is. Yeah.
But
Okay.
yeah, so
Few lines on it.
yeah. So can I
Let me
tell you a little bit
see the.
about the book?
Yes, I'm going to see what's written as well. Go ahead.
So yeah, so the book is about ordinary people flying. Like for example, can I ask you who was the
My
first person
words.
you're fan?
Normal people. Huh.
Yes, I just stole your words. Yeah.
Yeah.
The history people linked to flying in any which way: pilots, passengers, aircraft
Okay,
crew.
that's a great idea. So you're telling the
Fan.
perspective of all the other people, the not
Yeah, yeah. People who
the
wanted to
gla-
be employed. Yeah.
My mom was in British Airways. You didn't speak to her.
Yes, great. See, this is what I'm so
VOAC it
glad.
was called.
Oh.
Her stories are ridiculous because Tel Aviv was like the most happening place, and Tehran was where the best nightclubs were. And I was like, "What world is this?" All the Lebanon was like the best party life. I was like, "Mom, are you serious? You mentioned three places you won't go without a helmet. What are you talking about?" How the world
Yeah,
has
and also
changed.
and I'd love to speak to her at some point. But yes, basically about people and what flying meant to them, more importantly. So today it's sort of deglamorized, but at one point it was hugely expensive. It was also like a status symbol, to be able to fly. So the history of the passport. The sort of people who joined working, experiences of passengers, what food they ate, how they dressed up, the social history of
Talk to
flying.
me.
So
Food and planes. Talk to me.
yeah. So I'm assuming that one person will buy the book, and that's you when it does come out. Can
So I
I
had this
get that?
lovely moment in Air India just between the two lockdowns, flying to Bangalore, and I think Bangalore. And then the lady asked me, very sweet, really nice. I must say, the service class of India is the best in the world. Wherever I've
Is
traveled, I got
it?
to say, no, in terms of the way they treat you, as in politeness and all that, you can't get better than that. I've had a few moments with other cultures where I've never had one with an Indian a steward or
I
stewardess
think
or
it's
staff.
you, Cyrus. I think you just bring that out on
No,
people.
no,
They just love you. Yes, it's
no,
true.
no, no, no. It's not
Once
that.
somebody threw a
They're
loaf
very
at
nice.
bread at me.
Really?
Yeah, yeah, it's
All
true.
because of the Ranjit Singh ji story you keep telling in public. I'm his nephew. How dare you?
No, I'm waiting for your story. Then I'm going to tell mine.
No,
Yeah.
so my story is so sweet because with a big smile she says, "Sir," and it was client was paying, so we were in business class and it was lockdown. So there were 3, 4 people on the plane in any case in business, about 25 in the economy. So it was a lovely plane. She comes in and says, "Sir, you'll have non-veg or veg?" So I said, "Non-veg, please." "Sir, there's no non-veg." So I said, "Okay, what will you?" Then she says, "What will you have?" I was like, but if that's, I mean, what do we answer? But she smiled so
Yeah.
nicely. It was so charming that I couldn't get angry. It was just a lovely story to tell, like I'm
Yeah.
doing right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This redefines consent,
Put in your
doesn't
book.
it?
Put in your book.
Yeah, I will. Okay. Right away. Right
See,
away.
she's
Yeah.
letting me feel like I'm in charge
Yeah.
when there's
Yeah.
no way there's a choice involved in this transaction. So just
Yeah.
think of,
Yeah.
actually, from a social point of view, this is skills which are very evolved because I'm still feeling
Mm-hmm.
happy that I chose vegetarian.
It's like the
That
Soviets' idea of democracy, isn't it? So either you
Yes,
work.
somewhere there. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Except no gulag at the end of it.
Yeah.
Just airline food. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
gulag better. Uh, so,
Yeah. But
sorry. So
yeah.
you've had to
So
interview lots of people, obviously.
yes, 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 and quite a few in Bombay, and because the Air India office was in Bombay, Kulaba, so the
Yeah, yeah,
archives are
Nariman
still there.
Point.
Nariman
Famous
Point, true.
building that
Yes,
you see. Yeah.
but I'm still worried about whether they've actually kept the archive, the records or not. And our country has a terrible habit of just chucking, tossing things. Oh, ye pila hai, ye to dima kha liya, pheko. That sort of thing. But yes, it's something that I am working on, and years time maybe, or maybe 2 years time. Yes. So
Why so
I'll
long?
It takes time, especially with archival
research
work. It
of
does,
all this.
yeah,
Yeah.
yes, and meeting people, and especially with the
So
lockdown.
is,
And
is there like a premise you take when you write this book? Like or are you looking to show like the happy harmony of airline culture, or there's nothing like that? You'll just discover what it is.
no, there is a premise. Of course, I'll be looking at gender as to how this whole presentation of women stewards had to look in a certain way. Did you know they jumped around in ghagras and saris in
No way.
not even
Are you kidding?
lehengas? Yes, in the
No
1950s and
way.
the
Do you have a
1960s.
picture?
Yes, I can
What
show
do
it
you?
to you. Yes.
My
So
mom
there's
was.
this.
I've seen a British Airways thing. It was that blue
Yeah.
thing, long skirty thing.
So in Air India was the one which flew abroad. So for them,
Yeah.
they put on this whole air of the Indian culture, and I can't imagine with the ghungat serving
Wow.
people. Yeah, yeah. But
It's
GRD
come back to
Tata,
haunt us. The Ghungat
yeah,
is back because of lockdown. We're all wearing it.
yeah, yeah. So I think for the first time, men discovered what it's like to keep your mouth and like face covered.
No, but the similarities in all this. Now that we mentioned it, apparently there's a famous Pashtun dance thing that they do. Pashtun speaking people of Afghanistan, Pathans basically, and a few others, and that is traced to Gujarat and the
Really?
Rajputs who had this
Oh.
martial art. The Garba comes out of this sword martial art. The movement is, you look at the movement is exactly the same,
Mm.
and the
Oh.
clothes of the women folk in all the cultures is the same.
Yeah.
Hmm.
I got it's amazing. Yeah,
I didn't know that.
yeah,
But so they're wearing skirts and wielding swords. Is that what
yeah.
is that's the image in my head?
So you start with the Rajput because the dance is not there anymore. It's a martial art dance which they used to do, which is a very mannered sort of movement and all. If you see, remember your Garba, not
Yeah.
Mhm.
Garba. I don't know if you guys have ever done Garba, but we didn't
No.
because all the girls used to
Dandiya,
go
Garba,
and
same thing, right?
same thing. So Dandiya is
So
Garba,
used to
but
be
the
with
Garba is a
swords, is what you're
traditional.
saying.
No,
Oh,
so
that
the
stick is a
movement.
sword.
Sticky.
I haven't.
It's
Well,
possible,
yeah,
right?
it could be. I
Yeah.
don't know, but they
Yeah.
all look the same. They all look the same, and then the Afghans,
Mm.
the Pathans doing it is almost the same.
Mm.
Oh, I had no
Yeah.
idea. That's
Yeah,
crazy.
I
Yeah.
didn't know that. I've never been to a Garba or Dandiya either, but only seen it on
Because
TV.
you didn't have Gujarati girlfriends, Priya. It's
So
very
damn,
simple.
missed
I
out, missed
did.
out.
Yeah, all these pretty young girls during Navratri season, we all go. I went for the first one because of my heritage in a suit, in a Western suit. I was the only guy except the caterer. The caterer was in a dirty
Mm.
suit, handing out orange squash and all that. And all us guys had hidden our little booze, the small things, quarters and all that we used to get. So
Are you
I
saying
am
hit
having the suit.
flasks?
No, we just bought the quarters. It just be like 18 bucks for the vodka. Uh, you
Mm.
know,
Okay.
I'm talking about 1990, and so they make me carry all because I had the suit, right? So they had pockets. So I was like this guy going tang tang ding ding tang tang. You could hear everywhere bottles clanging. Oh, what a life!
Do you
You
remember
can put that in your
Saucepan
book.
Man from Enid Blyton? That reminds me of
Yes,
Saucepan Man.
yes. We just
Yeah, that
discussed
suddenly
something in the
reminded
morning.
me.
Yeah. Huh.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes,
But
tinkle, ting, ting,
yeah,
ting.
ting, ting,
Yeah.
ting, ting.
Or the Wiz.
Yeah.
What's that character in the Wiz with all the metal?
That
Yeah.
robotic fellow, right? With
Yeah, yeah,
with
yeah.
the
Correct. Yeah, yeah.
yeah, with the cone on his head for some reason.
Don't
Yeah,
ask.
yeah.
Sometimes artists write under the influence of all kinds of things. Samuel Coleridge comes to mind immediately. Um, Sorry. No, he was
Yeah.
a cocaine addict.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hardcore. Many
Oh,
were. It's okay.
hmm.
Art
Yeah.
blossomed sometimes. Sometimes it didn't. I mean, uh, let's not look
I was
into our
thinking closer
Indian.
to Ernest Hemingway and other, yeah,
I think, yeah,
these.
he was. But by then, it became par for the course. I think. I'm looking back.
Hmm.
Keats and
Yeah.
Shelley and all, they all had their little, misdemeanors,
Hmm.
I'm sure.
Yeah.
Wordsworth, didn't he have the thing with the sister?
Did he? I like all these
Yeah.
salubrious details are like tumbling out of your
And that's what, you
ears.
can't remember a word of the verse, but we won't forgive them their trespasses. Yeah. I wandered lonely
Yeah.
as a cloud, my foot. You had your sister with you. Okay,
Yeah.
back
Yeah.
back to the thing. So it'll come on in a couple of years. Very interesting that you
Mm.
look at these perspectives. One would not think about it from that point of view. You'd always think pilots or the guys who run the
Hmm.
airlines. Where are your Vijay
Yeah.
Malayas, Vijay Malayas,
Yeah.
Subrata Roys, and all these
Yeah.
guys?
Yeah. Yeah. So the
Do they
whole
feature? Do
idea.
you talk to owners?
No, so it ends in 1968. So it's a
Ah,
post-colonial, right? So 48 to 68. But basically, what Nehru wanted out of
we'll have to
aviation.
open the door.
Yeah,
One
it's
of
a
us.
sound. Yes, one of us. Yes.
That's the beauty of a podcast. Real life is going to be there. You can't do anything about it.
Yeah,
Don't worry.
yeah.
No.
But yeah, 1968 is when it ends because that's when. Did you know that when we became independent, we didn't have a right to a passport? So if you were born in 1955, I mean, if you were around in that period, if you wanted to fly, you had to first apply, and it was entirely on their discretion whether you got a passport or not.
Whose
And then you
discretion?
have
We are our own government.
the government's discretion.
India.
So yeah,
The new Indian
yes. So,
government.
sorry for a lecture. I'm being very
No, you went to
obtuse.
55 from 47, so I'm a little worried. Is it for 8 years? 8, 10 odd. Okay, someone's really
Okay,
angry. I
yeah,
think just open the. Don't
yeah.
get
Can I
embarrassed.
can I
Please
just
open it.
okay, okay,
You
okay,
do that while me and Silvery will discuss passports. Silvery,
okay,
what is
Yeah.
your passport picture like?
It's me
Are you
when I
clean
was
shaven?
like 18 years old. Yeah, I am clean shaven, but I don't have it right
Then
now.
then then,
But
then
I'm
you'll
clean
have a
shaven.
problem when you travel now. Huh? If the passport photo is without the beard.
I don't think so. I think that's a
Have,
myth. Is it not?
have you
That
gone
about
abroad
the
in the last
beard and
four
all?
5 years?
Not abroad,
You have
no.
a beard, and then
Uh,
the passport photo doesn't have a beard.
I mean that's fine, right?
Bro,
Like people are
you're
allowed
in
to grow beards.
Belgium. You're in Belgium with a guy who's speaking in French. Okay,
Yeah.
he's just gonna say this doesn't look the same at all. What are you gonna do?
I don't know. Put like a draw black beard on the passport. Now does it look the
And
same?
so you chose the right country to be left. Because the
Yeah, Jugaad.
Belgian jails will be
Yeah.
better than Powai. He'll be all good there. Don't
Well,
worry. I was just
true.
asking him, Priya. By the way, who came at this terrible
Oh,
time?
I
By
didn't
the way,
open the door. I just said कौन है in the typical Delhi wala style, and he said madam कुछ sign कराना है, तो I said जाइए 20 minute में आइए. So he,
wow,
Okay.
he's come all the
I'm sorry.
way.
I'm
He's come
sorry.
all the way from Faridabad by foot, carrying a huge bunch of files, and all he wanted was a glass
Yeah.
of water and your signature
Yeah, and
to
Mem
help
Saab
the girl
says,
child in Haryana. And your
yeah,
reply was what?
cruel
20 minute ke
and
baad aana. You're no
hardened
finesse.
heart,
Yeah.
hardened heart, merciless. Yeah, totally.
Exposed. You're
I've
worse
never
than
done that
exposed.
in Bombay. I don't think we do that in Bombay. We never asked
For
someone
20
who
minute
wants to sign to come
20
back,
minute
right?
banana.
Beast
No,
banana.
they won't come back. They don't
Yeah,
give,
I think it's a Delhi
the
thing,
vendor
maybe.
doesn't give
I
any,
don't think.
has no respect for us in
Yeah,
Bombay. You dare tell him 20 minutes banana. Your luck has
Really?
come. Yeah.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah, but so mysterious. No, just like sign karana hai. No, कि ये sign karana hai, क्या sign? It's just sign
Arey Baba,
karana
he's
hai.
a vendor. He's just he doesn't
No,
know the details. They're courier
I'm fi-
service like
I'm
V spread or whatever. They don't know what the product is really.
yeah. I'm
It's
very
okay.
ashamed. This is my ashamed face.
Yeah,
I'm very
give
ashamed.
him a
Yeah.
drink.
Okay.
Is he driving home? Give him a vodka or something.
I'll
Stiff
invite him
one.
over for a chat once we are.
No,
Yeah.
no, 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 no. This is Delhi. It's 4:45, 4:47. No mail is coming to the house now. It's just
True.
yeah.
Yeah.
Vasant Kunj
Yeah.
or no
Yeah.
Vasant Kunj. He's not
Yeah.
coming in.
I
Yeah.
agree. I agree. Yeah. Yeah. So Bahari Raho.
Okay.
Yes.
Tell us about the podcast. We just jumped over
Yeah.
that, and it's been
Yes.
on for quite some time. Yeah.
No, not really. Just 2 weeks. But yeah. So the
Only 2 weeks. I've got
Yeah.
a line saying it's one of the longest running, but it was somewhere else, wasn't
No,
it?
Oh, I think you fell for the trap. You know what the trap is? The trap is that
Cyrus
the name
Brocha
of the
never
podcast.
lies. Go on.
The name of the podcast is the longest constitution. It's to delude people into believing it's the longest running podcast, but it's not. So I'm very happy to say that we have trapped you
Yeah, but
in
now I
our
can't even find that.
in our
So
no,
I
no,
can't
you're
help
right,
you.
Cyrus. I did send that to you. You're right. You're right. I did send that to you. That it
What did
was
it say?
what? No,
No,
because
you
what
got
my
trapped
understanding
in it.
was. Yeah, I typed it. What my understanding was is that it was a podcast that already existed, and now it's not on the IVM podcast network. Is what my
Oh.
understanding was, but I'm wrong apparently. Sorry, guys. Sorry.
It's a
sorry.
bureaucratic system the British left behind. When 12 people translate, Rashomon, the picture changes completely,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
man.
Yeah,
Silvery, take one for the team.
yeah.
You
Well,
got my text
yeah,
in time.
So
Okay.
yeah, but that also means that you can go scot free. So you didn't fall for the trap. It was you actually read that. Yeah.
No, listen, there's no ignorance is a bliss in a sense. Now, why should you lie?
Yeah.
I mean, more disrespectful to a guest to lie and pretend to know about them. Don't you find that terrible? When someone says,
Yeah.
"Yeah, I've read your book. Yeah, I've watched your shows." Like people tell me I
Nobody.
watch your show and they say the title wrong. It's like when they say, "Oh, I've had a Pepsi" when they're talking to the Coke guy or vice versa. It's, really.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
All
It's like
lies, I tell you.
love your podcast. Cyrus had said.
Yeah,
It's a great
whatever,
podcast.
exactly. Yeah. Or Darius says or something, it's
Yeah.
really, wrong guy.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, so it's about about the podcast, not the longest running. It's exactly 2 weeks old, so not very long. But it's about the Constitution, and I basically wanted to make the Constitution relatable, something that people could connect with, and not make it the way I was taught it to it in college, and something that
I have one question, Dr. Priya Mirza. If you're a vernacular politician in India who doesn't speak English, how do you understand the constitution?
great question. That's what they asked in 1947 when they were in the middle of drafting it, and they felt
Yeah.
that you have.
Yeah.
So they said.
Sovereignty का मतलब क्या है? ये क्या है? Egalitarian. That word don't even try translating in India. It doesn't. There's no point. Yeah.
Yeah, so let me tell you a small anecdote. So this was exactly the question that the Hindi walas got very upset about when they were drafting the constitution, and they said this ye to Angrezi mein hai, this is not our national language, our national language is of Gaurav and Hindi. It has to be translated. So they translated it, and it was presented, and Nehru said, "I can't understand a single word." So
I'd vote for
you
him.
know, this is this. I mean, also I things that you cannot really translate. So they finally
It's all
settled for
Latin. So much of it is
yeah,
Latin, isn't it?
yeah. And so
I
much
I
of
don't even
law
know
is Latin. Yeah,
exactly. So in other cultures, how would it work anyway? I mean,
yeah.
not just India. I mean, you're looking at Romania or whatever. Well, that's a
Mm.
Latin-speaking language.
Or like
Um,
habeas corpus, like Sharir Lao.
yeah, bring in the body.
Sharir.
Yeah,
Yeah.
show
Or
off.
others.
1 year of law, beta. 1 year of law.
Yeah.
Inter alia, other stuff.
Wow. Impressed.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
So.
Thank you. Uh,
But as a matter of fact, Supreme Court judgments now are being translated into languages. That's a project that the government is doing right now. But so that people know what the latest judgments are, and Hindi and English are a problem. But that is something, it is a problem,
my
admittedly.
Because these language issues in India is never going to stop. My friend Silvery here, Antariksh, as you know him, he got a chalan, what we call, I don't know what you call it in Delhi, from the cop, and it was in
Chalani
Marathi.
hai.
Okay, but it was in
Yeah.
Chase Marathi, and he doesn't understand the language well enough. So he demanded it in, which you'd think if it's a national language, give it to me in Hindi. I have a much better
Yeah.
chance of translating it there. But they said no. So what's the deal
Oh.
with that? Because it's the state policy, transport comes
Mhm.
under state policy, etc.
But
So, but how?
the cop
It's a
said
tough
no
one. That's a
because
bit of a
the cop said no because they didn't want me to read it. They wanted to
no,
just take the
true,
money
but
from me.
he doesn't have a Hindi version. He doesn't have a Hindi version or an English version. Don't
He-
forget.
So no. So I'm sure if that document is official, there is a Hindi version as well. They just purposely did not have that because they wanted people who could not read Marathi, so they can just scam them in however way they want.
No, but
Like
was this
if
like
you
a
don't speak
printed
Tamil
challan or was it like a
It was
handwritten
printed,
one?
but also printed, but the print was
And
so
faded.
bad, even if it was in Hindi, very faded. You could barely you had to strain your eyes to even make out what's written. So they were like going out of their way to try and get people not to read it and just threaten them with it. I think. Yeah.
So in a row of 3, we have 2 traffic violators. That's nice. Very nice. Yeah.
I don't believe in following traffic. Ever since those guys do this whole, movement of the hand, great man is here, great man is here, and we're all on the other side of the road. No one's crossing to their side or anything. This makes no sense whatsoever.
Yeah.
My favorite thing is asking cops when they stop us for the VIP to ask them who the guy is, especially if it's a foreign dignitary. They never have an answer. VIP. अरे वो VIP का नाम
हाँ.
कहाँ है? वो क्या है?
Do they
वो
wear
पता
dark
नहीं. वो कहाँ
glasses?
से आ
And
गया?
then look at them.
No, they don't. Like a Ukrainian president came, they can't pronounce his name. So they've never heard of Ukraine, and they can't tell you the entire
Yeah, the
Balkan
capital.
mess and the Russian mess and all that.
Yeah.
Yeah, so there's no point to
Useless.
VIP because I
Yeah.
think aren't we that culture where you're either the top dog or the bottom dog. That's it. So you don't care. You're the boss. आ गया. अब ये boss आ गया. Who the boss is? Who cares? He's the boss.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
it. Yeah.
बस सलाम करो और आगे बढ़ो.
Salam karo. Yeah. Suddenly
Yeah,
everybody's
yeah,
all
yeah,
looking
yeah.
all enthused. Josh Junoon के साथ काम करते हैं and all. Otherwise, just waiting for the 5 o'clock punch out. Don't start me off.
But about the hand waving, Cyrus, people just do it generally when they want to help out traffic woes. They just stand and just start like कहाँ
Yeah.
जाएं, किधर जाएं, दाएं, बाएं, आगे, सीधे, किधर? No, just like just like move on.
If you
Move
move
on,
both
people.
the hands, it actually means bang. If you go like this, because you're supposed to actually be using only one hand at a time. If you're doing any kind of traffic movement, you should never have two hands out. You should, except to
Yeah.
stop. Otherwise, what the hell does this mean? Boom. Okay, listen, we have to do AMAs. 4:55.
Yes.
Too much, Priya. You're a big talker. They didn't. If they told me that, I
Sorry.
wouldn't have. I'd have calmed down a bit. Yeah.
Sorry, I'll be quiet next time, pakka.
Now there won't be any next time. We've talked so much.
Damn it. That's punishment. No next time.
Ranjit Singh's family is calling. I can hear the swords being oiled and stuff, in the background.
Tel lagao, sharpen karo. So what are AMAs, by the way?
They're asking me anything
Uh,
questions.
Well, in Tamil,
Oh.
it's mom. Yeah.
Yeah. So okay.
Okay, so first I have a question about your book Airing India that you're writing. So this is probably gonna seem bizarre to you, but right now UFOs are big in the news, and pilots very often have been reported to have been come across
Pictures, yeah,
UFO
yeah.
sightings. Right? So have you ever had to ask that question of like a pilot you're interviewing or something, or have they told you anything like that, like an incident?
Oh, sounds this is such a great question. I wish I had a nice witty answer, but sadly no. So unfortunately, I'm one of the boring historians who work. My period
worries.
ends in 1968.
Whether you're boring or not, behind you a door opened, a hand came and went in and out. I'm just
Yeah.
telling you, please, are you okay? Okay, I
That's
have
alien. That was
cousins
the
in
alien.
Shield Park,
That
and I have people
was
in
the alien
Gurgaon.
background.
I don't know how far they are from Basant Kunj, but I will do what I can. Okay? My friend
Okay, so
Vinny
let me
Mathur has a
quickly
family in
came
up-
Green Park.
So this
The
was the
Green
guy
Park-
who rang the bell 2 times, and he was
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
"Oh,
He's
don't
like,
get
"Oh,
into
get
that door." Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm going to break in. Yeah, but UFOs, I didn't know this either, that people have spotted UFOs, but
Or they're
Yeah.
lying. See, the thing is, we don't know for a fact, but they'll say they've.
Yeah.
They even have photographs which you can't really decipher. There's no conclusive. We like all this stuff on our show. We
yeah,
discuss it
I
all
can
the time.
tell. I can see.
But I think it's more like your heart is in it. Like, do you believe in ghosts or not? It's what your heart tells you, and there's a prejudice because of that. You sort of want to
Yes,
believe.
yeah.
You're more
But there's no
romantic,
solid proof, right?
ghost-loving.
There's no solid proof.
There's no solid
So
proof.
right now it's what you
Like I
believe.
want to
Yeah.
believe there's a Yeti, the abominable snowman. I would
Totally.
love
Yeah, yeah.
to see there's a
Yeah.
new species of whatever which is close to primate, but instead it's just a fat Indian, couldn't climb.
Wandering around.
With
Yeah.
long hair, one time 60s flower child, could play guitar and
Yeah.
all that. But now he's just looking for hemp to end his life like Socrates.
Yeah, but he didn't. Socrates didn't have to look. It was just like served to him.
Yeah,
But
they gave
yeah,
it to him. It was an offer he couldn't refuse.
quite right.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was like you on the flight, right? Like you just had to.
But isn't it one of the best lines ever? I mean, I'm sure in Greek it would be a little different. All I know is I know nothing. I mean, it's just fantastic, and it doesn't mean you're stupid. It's absolutely right.
Yeah.
I think
I'm
all
going to
education-
memorize it. Yeah.
No, you educators, I think, start telling the kids, don't look for answers, just keep questioning. Isn't that what it's all about?
We say it very earnestly every time, and they just blink. So I'm not too sure.
No, then they follow like herds, wear their mask and run around like morons and listen to the government, bang buttons and clap their hands and shut lights for 9 minutes and wear woolen clothing. Or during
Yeah,
you have a solar eclipse, everybody shuts their windows and all at 6 in the morning when it's coming out
And
at
they don't
12:30.
eat for some reason. For some reason, during the eclipse, you're not supposed to eat. I don't know why.
I do really.
Yeah,
Maybe Karwa
disaster.
Chauth was the next day and it got mixed up.
पहले से शुरू कर लो.
Sola Karwa, something. He said, do a number, 15, 16 Karwa. Oh, Severi's not even
Yeah.
smiling. He's like, how bad can these comedians be, these old people?
fine.
Not you, Priya, me.
These old fogies, yeah. But
Yeah,
UFOs, no idea. Yeah, I'd like to believe in the Jedi Knights. Yeah, that's something I'd like to believe in.
Oh, cool. Nice. But
So
then actually-
I hope the pilot you meet who says, yes, I've seen Jedi Knights, I want to fly with that guy ever. Are you nuts?
Yeah.
हाँ, बहुत है.
हाँ, बगल से गुजरता है. Yeah.
On the right is the pink city of Jaipur and on the left, Jedi Knight. देख.
Yeah, I saw that big struggle between the Millennium Falcon and the Death Star also, how they crashed it and all.
Yeah.
You basically recount the entire Star Wars movie and you'll be like,
Wait,
oh,
now
wow,
the
that actually
clock is-
happened. That's great.
Now her clock is going berserk. Who is this Priya Mirza? Where is she from? There's a guy walking in and out. There are bells, there are clocks.
Yeah, so it's me. It's the alien. बहुत वक्त लगा ना पहचानने में. No, it's a grandmother's clock. Yeah. So did you ever have any while you were growing up?
We have a grandfather's clock. Thank you for that. In the living room, it's an heirloom from my father's grandparents in a sense. I'm not sure, but it
Yeah, so
it's
there's
giving
some-
trouble.
Yeah, most of them do. They're really old.
But it's
and-
beautiful piece of clock. I mean, it's like really nice, and you won't get that kind of. We have these small clocks that you buy in shops and all, which look so terrible and pathetic. It's like
Yeah,
हम लोग
plastic.
गरीब लोग हैं अभी, we had
Yeah.
that clock और अब ये देख लो यार, ये वो मम्मी ने लाया, put it up. Yeah.
Yeah.
Very classy, aren't they? The wooden thing and with the big thing in the
Yeah.
middle and all that.
Yeah. And you have to wind it and
You
pay
have to wind
attention
it.
to
You have
it.
to
Yeah.
literally give like a child. You have to give it some time. Yeah, fair enough. Just give
Mm.
it some time. Oh, intelligent is that?
Mhm.
Wow.
Super.
घड़ी को वक्त दे रहे हैं. Wow.
Yeah, this is
Too
modern day
much.
Hamlet. Every line is a gem. Write it down. Oh, you don't have to write it down. It's being recorded. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Let's squeeze in a couple more.
All right, sure.
Mr. Silvery.
This one comes in from Tushar K. Shah. He says, "Why does it seem like the government hates the term secular in our preamble and constitution? They keep proposing to have it changed / modified. Do you think that's fair to say?"
I'd love to be politically
Complicated.
incorrect.
Yeah.
I think they hate the word secular because they don't want to. I'm sorry, I'm giving the classroom answer that they don't want to have this vision of many people together, diversity and heterogeneity. They want this homogeneous Hindu Rashtra. So that's what immediately, of course, it's all I can think of right away. But secular, because I think secular vision really challenges what the government is doing right now. Why is the government spending so much money for a temple? Why is that become the national movement? Why is Azadi Amrit? It's just mixing up
What's
so
with the
much. Which
statues? If you take the money that's being spent
oh
on statues, I mean, honestly, there should
yeah,
be a statue limit, a statue to statues. Like you got
yeah,
like 20
like a
crores.
statute on yeah.
Yeah, exactly. And
Yeah.
that's about it. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
really.
Sardar, but I'm sure he wouldn't have appreciated, quite frankly. He was a very modest man. He wouldn't have wanted this big fuss made over him. No, not the man at
I have
all.
another theory. I think in India we've got firstly most people around the world are racist and communist. You scratch the surface and they turn out to be that.
Casteist. Yeah.
Casteist, all that. If the religion thing ends, the caste thing will start or the class thing will start. But I do believe that in India the liberals are the best of that we have to offer. They're really really good people in the sense of that's us.
Yeah.
In the sense that the sense
Like
of
wink, wink.
egalitarian, yeah, wink, yeah, egalitarian values and all is pretty good because we've not really had a civil war. If you look at it, there are enough people who are
Mhm.
actually inherently okay to live with each other and don't have problems until politicians polarize and point things out and say, and then of course weak minds and all that. What have you? There was this guy in Germany with a silly mustache who said all kinds of stupid things. He wanted to wipe out races for no reason whatsoever because maybe he
Yeah.
failed an art contest or something. I mean, it goes down to that.
But
Yeah.
They say he
but
might have
also
lost a dog. He might have
oh
the loss of his German Shepherd because he used to paint German Shepherds, right? So the loss of
Yeah.
a German Shepherd could be the reason why he got really angry and like everything.
But
I
how do
hate
you trace
everything.
it? Why you
And
trace
how
the
do you?
death of a German Shepherd to destruction of Jews, Gypsies,
I
people
mean, you
of
can't.
color?
It's a stretch, yeah.
It's a tough one to put
It's
together.
yeah. But who knows,
My
man?
dog
How
died of
people
old
nowadays.
age, and Dr. Simon is responsible, who lives 2 countries away.
Yeah.
yeah. Or
Yeah.
maybe
But I'll tell you about
his failed attempt at being an artist. What about that? The pain of not being
yeah,
an
that's what
artist.
they
Yeah.
say.
Yeah.
That's what they say. If
Yeah.
you're looking at the more less conscious ones, that he was kept down. The failure
Mm-hmm.
of not becoming an artist because certain people of certain ethnicities may have judged him, and so he didn't get the chance to go up in life, and instead decided to destroy the world. Makes sense.
Yeah.
Happens to
Yeah.
all
Yeah.
of us.
Perfect. Yeah. Yeah. I wonder what's happening to all other struggling artists. Watch out.
There you go. Yeah. You didn't get first prize. Okay, kill all the Jews. God. And really, history is
Yeah.
replete with mad, oh God. And they come back
Yeah.
again, just change the mustache. That's it. By the way, the mustache story is he had a full mustache. There's a picture of him as a corporal in the
Yeah.
First World War, where he
Yeah.
actually
Okay.
distinguished himself as a complete nutcase who would go ahead and shoot people left, right, and center. Just point him
Is
out
that
and go.
true?
Yeah, he had a handlebar. It was still here. Then
He
No,
was a
the shooting
survivor.
range.
He was a
no,
survivor
he,
in his battalion. Like his entire battalion died in like some mission,
yeah,
and he was the
yeah,
only survivor from his entire
Oh.
battalion. And he was like, these
decorated
wars.
for that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
decorated. So he was like, these wars are what killed my battalion, and
Mm.
somehow he blamed the wars that were happening on Jewish people, and that's what led to a lot of his hatred. Is what again? These are all assumptions. We don't.
Yeah.
Who
The
knows?
Yeah.
Jewish people hatred is terrible. It's so terrible that after 43, when the Second World War is ending for them and Germany is just losing, whatever money is left, instead of putting it into the war machine, that's why Rommel and all these guys started disagreeing with him because they were warriors who wanted to fight a war and win to save their country, not
Hmm.
destroy races because you don't like the color of their skin or what they look like. And this guy said, no, the money still went first to the final solution, as they call it. He put money into
Hmm.
that instead of putting more
God.
money into the war machine. I mean, that's the kind of evil that you'd rather keep
Mm-hmm.
killing people while you're dying or while you're losing the battle instead of turning the battle around or giving yourself the best chance to do that. You're actually going back to this killing, this murder. It's a
Mm-hmm.
filthy human being. You can't. There's no way to. You can't get a clearance from me. Absolutely.
No, yeah,
You know,
and there is also
disgusting.
completely, but there's also just to link something really interesting, the connection between Ranjit Singh son, sorry, nephew, who became
Dilip
Dalip
Singh ji.
Singh.
Yeah.
So during the Second World War, when all these Jews were fleeing Germany, quite a few of them came to India, and it was the princely
Yeah.
states, two of them who gave them
Oh,
refuge. One of them
oh, is
being,
it?
yeah, Kolhapur, and this fellow, the Dalip Singh fellow.
Yeah.
So yeah,
But
so
he
they
got
gave
back
them.
to, I think it's 173 was his highest test score. Yeah. Now that
Yeah,
you brought it
yeah,
up.
yeah, yeah. So three of
Yeah.
them, right? Patodi and these two Sanjeev
No,
guys,
so
right?
Pataudi is a different family. There's a Nawab Pataudi Senior,
Mm.
Nawab Pataudi Junior, and there's Saif Ali Khan, who was a decent bat but didn't play for India. And
Oh,
yeah, so that's a different family because theirs is Indore, right?
Patodi,
No,
yeah,
Pataudi is
Patodi.
Haryana, and the mother's side is
Mm,
Indore, correct, or Bhopal. And
Bhopal.
yeah, and these guys are Junagadh and the Gujarat, Saurashtra
Yeah, yeah,
thing
yeah,
area.
yeah,
The
yeah,
Jadejas
yeah, yeah.
basically
Mm-hmm.
same Rajput clan. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
which has given us quite a few
Bhopal,
cricketers.
yes, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
So, but that's why I think Ajay Jadeja, not Ajay, Ravindra Jadeja is called Sir by Dhoni, affectionately,
Oh, why
because
is
the
that?
Jadeja. I know I grew up with a lot of Rajput boys in college. They all claim to be princes, but they're all living,
Hmm.
hand to mouth, But they would always, I remember getting into a fight with one of them because I was teasing them, and next thing I know, he's trying to burn me with a lighter and to be pulled apart
Wow.
because his
Ah,
manhood was like here. But they're actually great guys, and
Challenged.
great fun to
Yeah.
drink with. Yeah, but suddenly went off. I must have been a little vicious for no reason, just belittling him for no reason. But yeah. So they all claimed, you can't say because everybody who has a surname is not the prince of the area or the prince's
Mm-hmm.
family. Well, how do we know? Because that's just a
Yeah,
clan
yeah.
surname that they all have.
Yeah,
But
सब वो
don't
छाती
you think?
चीर कर, yeah.
Yeah. तो यहाँ
Yeah,
आके
yeah.
कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं ना, but out there nobody looks at you because you're not really from the royal family. You're just a guy with a small house. Yeah.
Yeah, and you look
So,
at the families now, they're all, contested property, even Bhopal and what's
that is
happening
because
there.
whether you're Rajput or not, you're also Indian. And let me tell you, length and breadth of this country, property disputes will
Yeah,
continue no matter what community
yeah,
you're from.
yeah.
It's not going to
Jaidad,
change.
yes.
Really.
Jaidad,
In fact,
Aulad, all those things. Yeah.
Parsi's also been a disgrace the last few years. The fighting over property and the sad stories we hear, and old people
Yeah.
left alone, and then suddenly relatives crawling out of the woodworks. Gods, they'll come
Scavengers,
after me. Somebody,
vultures. Yeah.
yeah. And this is not the
Mhm.
government this time. Oops. Okay, guys,
Good.
one
507.
more,
Last
one,
question.
there's one
Priya
more.
has lots to do. Like, open the door and sign.
Okay, this question also comes from a Priya. It's Priyanka, though. Priyanka Mathurdas asks, I remember we were taught civics in school as part of the history period. History and civics, the subject was called. Because of that, I think a lot of Indians aren't aware of how the government works, why power matters, the bureaucracy involved in government, etc., etc. How do you think this can be changed?
I think it can be changed by more people reading history for themselves and not relying on what's being taught to them in schools. I think a major problem is that we just don't trust historians, and courtesy the government, of course, which is busy dismissing historians who have worked so hard in presenting or producing credible work. Also, I think historians need to write enjoyable, great material which everybody can read. So I think it works at both ends.
User
Historians need to
friendly.
write.
But she's
Yeah.
talking about civics as well, Priya.
Civics.
Civics as a
Oh,
subject,
sorry.
when you talk about anti-corruption and in the bureaucracy and things like that, smaller parts of the civics text, which is I used to love that. For example, I remember
Mm-hmm.
using official machinery for personal purposes was one of the lists of corruption for
Yeah.
civil servant, which I remember committed to memory. So I always like to brandish that out when I'm fighting with somebody in a bureaucratic space.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
all that or even the simple rights and duties of a citizen, things like that, which nobody
Mm-hmm.
even looks at. A whole generation is probably not looked at, which we had forced on us. Now, in a good way, I think. You have some idea
Yeah.
of how
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
government structure
Yeah.
is, what the different structures of government are, what is the legislature, how you can pass a bill properly. All that
Yeah.
came in
Yeah.
through
Yeah.
civics,
True.
which they don't.
Yeah, I think I just completely got carried away by the history bit. So let's get back to the civics. Yes, I
Yeah,
think Yeah, these are things that people should know, and it's not part of history. It's everyday living, isn't it? How to file an RTI, how to
Yeah.
speak to your MLA. I mean, MLAs and MPs are so distant and
Yep.
reachable people, but they're not supposed to be like that. They are representatives, and you should be able to
They
reach
should
out
be
to them.
on your when you call up.
Oh
They should
yeah,
be at your house in 5 minutes,
like
looking at the pipes
yes.
and the leakage. हाँ मैं अभी करता मैम. That yours is waiting outside, by the way. Huh? A member of parliament is sitting there like, मैडम मेरे को भाव नहीं देता है.
बस साइरस से बात करता रहता है.
हाँ अगर साइरस था तो.
But yeah, I think if that's also the podcast, the purpose of the podcast, to make people know about what they things which can actually empower them, and things which can change things around, and make them know their laws, their rights, so that they can actually haul up people by the scruff of their neck and say, hey, these are the laws, and I know my stuff, and you can't gaslight me. So yeah,
Throughout the
should be
lockdown,
some.
we've had examples of that. At least for me,
Mm,
Sir, we discussed this so many times that we don't know enough. So that when they challenge you, like with the chalana or whatever, you're not
Yeah.
sure what to do. If we had more
yeah,
Right.
idea
yeah.
about how things function, especially from a local point of view, because you're not going to really be dealing with people in Delhi, but in a local point of view with the police, the post office,
Yeah.
whatever, we should know more.
Like one of my
Absolutely,
favorite
like he can,
videos. Sorry, please
yeah.
go ahead. No,
Um,
okay, so I was saying, sorry, one of my favorite videos to watch on YouTube, no, is one of these, like shows up on my recommendation now, is like policeman stops the wrong lawyer at a traffic stop for no reason or something like that. Like because the
Mm.
lawyer
in,
knows his
in,
rights.
in, Amer-
Yeah.
in
Yeah,
America.
In
yeah.
America,
Yeah,
in America,
I watch
yeah.
those. Yeah.
Yeah, those
And
are
they keep their camera
amazing,
on
man.
and they tape
They
it
always
and they
keep the
upload
camera
it
on.
immediately. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. That's
And
so
you
I love
they
those
catch
videos.
those guys. They're very verbal,
Yeah,
but you have to know it. No, it's not
exactly.
just
That's
Exactly,
what. That's
exactly.
you have to
Yeah,
know the
yeah,
law. Like you
yeah,
cannot arrest me. You
yeah.
cannot take my license, for example. You cannot
yeah,
physically take
Exactly.
the license. They just take it.
yeah,
Why do they take it? They can't
Yeah,
take it
yeah.
physically. They have to write down the
yeah.
number and give you back your license, and then
Hmm.
it has to go to court.
And even
But
the
nobody.
challan can be contested. All they
It
have
ha-
to do is to write the challan. They can't impound
correct.
your vehicle. They can't take your
But they
license.
told him
But
we'll
the
keep your.
motor,
Yeah, they
They'll
said
keep
we'll
your
impound
vehicle
your
overnight.
vehicle. Yeah,
yeah,
because
it's
somehow
But
happened
that's
to
just
me
being
as well.
police.
Yeah,
man.
Yeah.
just
Yeah,
intimidating. It's the whole Hitlerian
Yeah.
streak.
intimidating.
Why not the bow? Why
Yeah.
not no cho? When you
Because
can.
our
Yeah,
cops also get very pissed. They start like they
Ego
won't,
that you
especially
challenge
with
them. It becomes
men,
an
they
ego
start
thing,
hitting
nothing
and
else.
all.
Yeah.
Yeah, they start catching a
Oh,
collar and all.
No,
Yeah,
she's
they
from
do all
Delhi,
that.
Baba. They're even worse than us, apparently. Oh.
No, but at least I imagine to women they're a little better, right? Are they
true,
No,
not?
not
true. That's
necessarily.
true.
I mean, they won't
Yeah,
hopefully won't hit and all that, but they can be
Yeah,
yeah, yeah,
talked down all the
yeah,
time.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
that's
And
Like
then of course,
Utru
even the
Gadi
Delhi
se kind
women,
of thing.
their Hindi is like mine. No, when they start talking, they become so, "Ha, boliye sir." You just start talking in that anglicized way that also upsets them. You just create a disconnect which is bigger and bigger. Yeah.
Yeah, true, true. But yeah, I think rather than I think the first agenda should be to know what our laws say, what our MPs are up to, how they're spending money, the funds that they get, where's it going?
Correct.
Basic questions. What's
Exactly.
happening in Parliament? Can we watch Parliament and Lok Sabha TV as,
Yeah.
of course, it's Netflix versus Lok Sabha TV, so I can see it's a difficult choice,
Yeah.
but
Tough.
yeah, just
In the
find out.
finals.
Yeah, the complete sham that the legislatures become, stuff.
Hey, let's do
Well,
another podcast with you where we just discuss civics. We'll have to sit down and write all these issues, and then maybe you can
yeah,
help us through it.
yeah, I'd
Questions that
love
people should
to.
be asking. Have a big AMA for that day, because I'm
That
sure people
sounds
will
like
be
a
asking
great, yeah,
questions.
yeah. That sounds lovely.
Because
Yeah.
suddenly in your life it happens, and you're wondering, "Oh God, I wish I knew what to do here," because I'm sure I can call his
Mhm.
bluff. Because it's just
Yeah, and you're
very silvery.
struggling. Yeah,
You're struggling.
it's like
You're not
chess.
sure.
You're trying to figure out the next move. Knight to
Up till
f6.
my 40s, I
No.
didn't struggle in chess. I was the Kasparov of Malba Hill.
Wow.
Then it all changed.
okay.
Young Vishy
I have a cool
Anand, my
chess
very own
story.
son. Huh.
I have a cool chess story. Like I have a friend named Kashyap, okay, and who he touts himself as like, oh man, I play chess so much. I'm like the best player and all whatever. Okay, so I was like hesitant to play with him. I was pretty sure he would beat me like in like a minute or something. So he like, finally convinces me. We are like sitting in the lockdown only. I'm sitting at his place, and he convinces me. Okay, fine, we'll play. Okay, today he signs me up to chess.com. We get on it. I beat him in 5 moves. Okay, it was a fluke.
Ooh.
I did not realize that I checkmated him because I don't play that often anymore. So I didn't realize I checkmated him, but I did in 5 moves, and he's just like dumbstruck. So since then, I have refused to play with him because I'm like, no, I want you to be to that
He
for
basically
that to be your
opened it.
memory of me
He
beating you.
opened he let the bishop out so that the area to the king was free, because 5 moves be damn tough, huh?
Yeah,
And
I'm
Yeah, I
thinking.
your
literally
Yeah.
queen,
like
your
5 moves.
queen,
He was done. Yeah, He did make some like long moves. I think it was the bishop. Yeah, correct. Was
Yeah,
good.
but there's something
Yeah.
so base
No,
inherently
because the
show
king is
offy about
trapped.
chess, right?
No, but the king is
Yeah.
trapped there, so that actually you can
Mm,
fumble in 3 or 4 moves if you're completely trapped and you open the defense,
yeah.
and you have a double threat, so that if they kill one, the queen kills
Mm,
one, you can still kill the king, and hence it's over. But for that to happen,
yeah.
the guy has to be a complete novice.
Yeah, which
I
also means he
mean,
was faffing all this time.
yeah,
That's what
it
my
does seem that way. But he's actually
Don't
good. I've seen him
invest.
play. He's actually
But
won.
don't
But then like
invest with him,
one
huh?
of those days.
Because
Yeah,
he's
yeah,
all talk.
correct,
Don't
uh,
correct.
invest. Be a little careful.
Yes.
Okay,
yeah,
I
but
think
it
let
also
Priya go. We made her talk for 1 hour 15 minutes. She's tired. She's
yeah,
drinking tea or something stronger, and there's a man outside, and the light is changing in the background of a lovely
yeah,
Haveli
yeah,
bungalow, 16-story bungalow with
yeah, yeah.
400
Penthouse
bedrooms,
with
200
greyhounds.
bathrooms,
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
800 domestic staff, and greyhounds, and a
yeah.
big Black Panther and Balu the bear.
Yeah, yeah.
Eh,
And what is it, the latest size, a 52-inch TV, blah blah blah.
No,
Yeah.
no, that's all great. Now they have much
Oh,
bigger
that's not.
ones,
Oh, is
84
it?
inches and all. Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Is
yeah.
that
You can put
so?
in Delhi. They put two TVs together, one on top of another. Just 104 hai bhai. Okay, Priya,
Yeah.
listen. Thanks for being on the show. You've been wonderful. But oh, there's a lady in the background.
Yes. The
She was the
person who was
Phantom
supposed
of
to open.
Delight. Oh, okay. This is we're doing poetry. And by the way,
Yes.
she went
Yeah.
to the door and then the cursory touching of the handle. Iska matlab kya hai? There was no
She knocked.
movement
She knocked.
in or out.
She
Huh?
knocked. She
She knocked.
see. She knocked. She tried. She knocked, but knocks in this house are not paid. Are not heeded
Is
to.
she
Yeah.
is she mad? The knock has to come from outside. Why is she knocking
Somebody.
from inside?
Yeah, somebody inside must be
It's
on a
another. It's
Zoom call or
another.
something.
Priya might be brilliant as a
Yeah.
subject,
Yeah.
but otherwise, this is one of those
Yeah.
crazy like Einstein, Doesn't know if his pants are
Totally.
on while he's doing the experiment and all that. It's crazy.
Hey, what are you suggesting? Hey, I
No, no,
am.
no,
You
no,
know.
no, no, wrong analogy. I apologize. Don't come after me, people.
Yeah, I won't. But thank you so much for having me, and it's been a
Our
riot.
pleasure.
So yeah,
Yeah, it's been great fun.
and
We'll see you. I'm
yeah,
sure we'll see you soon.
yeah, I'd love to
Yes,
be
absolutely.
back. Yeah, for more civics and history. Yeah,
But while you go, I still have to do a promo apparently. C'est la
yeah.
vie, as we say in Gurgaon.
Wow, wow.